today for the first video after my welcome back. I am so happy to be here today. We're getting some meal ready for dinner. So today I decided to, while I was actually getting my dinner ready for the family, I decided to cook. This is what we're having today. We're having chicken. This is chicken thighs. And we have our beans right here. We have the white rice. And this is our black beans where I'm going to make sauce pois, which is basically black beans, but in a way where I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you what we're going to do with this called sauce pois. All right, so as we're getting ready to start, before I introduce you to all my little ingredients, we have mojo, a little bit of mojo, a little bit of salt. Usually I have my regular lemon, but today I'm actually just using the liquid lemon or lime. You can use lime, but I thought I had some. I thought I bought some from the grocery store. Unfortunately, I thought I did, but got home, did not find it. But guess what? You can never go wrong with your bottle that's ready to go. And then I have, I've just been sitting here for probably about 10 minutes, not too long. And yeah, so let's get ready to get my knife. I'll be stepping back in the kitchen. So now I'm cleaning my chicken. So now that I'm done cleaning all the chicken, so usually I'll probably leave them the size as it is as right now, but I'm actually going over some of them and cutting down with my big manchetta, my big knife. I love this knife. Adding my épices, that's made by me. Adding my lemon juice. I'm adding my adobo powder, my garlic powder, and my complete seasoning. Go down. And now I'm just marinating my chicken. Now I'm adding my olive oil so we can get ready to cook our chicken. Now I'm just grilling the chicken just a little bit in olive oil. Now I'm grilling my onions and red and green bell pepper with Scotch bonnet sauce. Now I'm just adding my grilled bell peppers and onions on my chicken. Now I'm just adding water onto the beans. So I'm adding my green onion, some cloves, and some olive oil before I close my pressure cooker. So now I'll put my pressure cooker on high for 30 minutes. So now I'm adding the beans into the blender and also taking some of the water from the beans to blend it. Now we are putting the beans to the strainer. Now I'm adding water. Now I'm adding back my beans into the pressure cooker. I decided to add it back in there instead of putting it in a regular pot. Now I'm adding some cut up celery, a piece of green bell peppers, and some complete seasoning. The celery is optional, it's up to you. Now I'm adding my coconut oil. Now I'm putting my pressure cooker back on high just for 5 minutes.
are getting ready to make our rice. Just adding a little olive oil. Now I'm adding water. I'm adding salt. I actually rush my rice before adding it to the pot. Usually I don't measure my water. Sometimes I do measure my rice. I just make my rice based on my liking. Now our rice is ready. So this is what I cooked today for the family, and now we're about to enjoy this nice meal.